Greetings everyone, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to thank you for being here for this tutorial on ACT marketing automation. Specifically today, I'm going to talk about a template that I created that has a series of buttons inside that template. Now this template is just showing you the buttons, but I want to describe how they work and what you can do with them. So the first one is pretty straightforward. If you click on this button, it will open a web page. If you look over to the right, what I've done is I've put in my web address right there. When I have a button, I really have four options according to ACT Marketing Automation. The last one, send SMS, does not work, but I'll put it there and show you what it looks like if you decide to do that. So the first one is just going to open a web page, and that's tonytheteacher.com. The next one is, let's say that you want to have a button where someone can send you an email. Well, again, over here on the right-hand side, it says send email. It's got my email address, and in the subject line, it says question for Tony Holowitz. Hi, Tony, this is my question. So when they click on that button, their email program of their choice will open up, and it will fill in this information over here on the right-hand side. So that's something you can do as well. A variation of that is I also have a request a quote button, same email address, same type of option, but it's just the subject line is a little bit different and the body is a little bit different. Next, the last or the fourth one is click to call Tony. Now I find this sort of interesting because this really is designed more for mobile devices. So let's say I look at this on my mobile device. Well, here's my phone number and it's make call is the option. So when they receive this, if they happen to get it on their mobile phone and they want to call me, they can just click, it will open up their dialer, and they can call me directly. This last one, the send Tony a text, is something that in theory should work, but it doesn't. I've tried to get it to work. I've tried a couple different things, no luck. And I guess it's a known issue that it doesn't really work. So sometimes that happens. But having said that, if you use buttons to generate a call to action, that is a great way to make your emails more productive for you. Make it easy for people on the other end to interact with you. Buttons are a different way of doing that, and it's something you can think about for sending emails in the future. The thing I think I like the most is the fact that you can sort of put the information or pre-fill it so that you're leading them down a path. If it's a quote, ask them what they want the quote on. If it's an email, just general email, ask them what their question is. So you can fill this in different ways that suit the way you work and the things you're trying to learn about your customers and your prospects if they send you an email. Okay, my friends, thank you so very much. You have a great day. Be well. Bye now.